Morning. Welcome to Wednesday.
Hello.
Sure, no.
Cheryl feels like Ralph right now.
Ralph. Or not Ralphie, the brother.
Sure.
Just so many layers of those.
That's fine. Anyways, we're just out right now so that we can look at paint things. It's going to be exciting in a very exciting way.
I'm excited.
Cheryl's excited.
I
Are you excited?
love this sort of thing.
You can feel the excitement?
That's what being an adult is all about.
Yep. That's the only reason you become an adult, is to look at paint chips.
Paint chips. That's it. That's what adulthood is all about.
Ugh. Gross. Cheryl, look behind you.
No!
Gross. No, mountain.
Well, I'd still climb it if I wasn't in a very
Gross.
constricting jacket.
There's so much to do.
Yeah, it's a little gross, but, you know.
That's Canada.
Welcome to Canada.
Ew. Speaking of Canada. So we made it home. Our kitty is there. Hi. You're smelly. You're smelly right now. You're smelly. Cheryl is going to attempt, and I are going to attempt to give him the bath. Yes, you're going to be so excited by that. You're going to love it so much. These ears will be right up and not sideways like that. You'll be very happy, right? Happy kitty? So I'm having to restrain Shabs. I got a little bit. He was not having it at first. But, you know what? All in all, because we bought like a kind of dry shampoo kind of thing, he's doing good. I think he's gonna chillax now, because we're on the brushing. Oh, guess not. Whoa. I was like, nope.
I got him.
That's okay. I'll hold him now. Okay. So, basically having to restrain Shabs at this point. Shabs, it's okay. There you go, you're getting brushed. It's okay.
Here, smell it. See, it's your brush. That's all. You love the brush. Yeah, see, that's not bad.
Okay. So better than we hoped. There you go. He's like, oh wait, this part's actually not that bad.
Yeah, you
I like this part.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
See? This part you love.
Okay. Let's flop you over.
Alright.
Here.
There we go. We got a new collectible, guys.
Oh.
A live action one. Curious George. He loves it up there.
Alright, look at that. That's where all of our stuff used to be. Well, collectible stuff. It's empty. That's crazy. It's all in these bags. There. Some of it's there. Some of it's there. There. Garbage is there. There. For some reason, that was in one of the bags. I don't really understand how that got there, but that's there.
Me neither. It doesn't make it. I don't even know why or where it came from. I've been looking for it for months. That much I know. But
Cheryl, it's right there.
thanks, I found it.
Right
Now
there.
that all my plants are dead.
Well, there's that one, and then there's the red one that's behind
There's the
over
red
there.
one, yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go to bed because it's that o'clock. Well, you can't really see it. It's like all. There you go. You can see.
120.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to bed, and we'll try to continue all this stuff tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Bye. Good night.